dyan. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Hello guys. Yan. Si Dwayne ay maglalaro ng ating games. Ayan. Meron tayong geometry dash, right? Ayan.
I know how to play that. Okay. Easy or hard?
Easy lang.
Okay. But easy is boring.
Okay. This is you pick the hard one.
Okay. My favorite is that.
Wait. Then that's all.
Bye.
Then check mo.